Welcome to our Regulation Mastery session. In this session, we will continue reading the CSSF Circular 22-806 from Part 1 Outsourcing Arrangements, Chapter 4. Governance of Outsourcing Arrangements. Section 4.3.4 Exit Plans. 111. In-scope entities shall have a documented exit plan when outsourcing critical or important functions that is in line with their outsourcing policy, exit strategies, and business continuity plans, taking into account at least the possibility of a. The termination of outsourcing arrangements, b. The failure of the service provider, c. The deterioration of the quality of the function provided and actual or potential business disruptions caused by the inappropriate or failed provision of the function. D. Material risks arising for the appropriate and continuous application of the function. 112. In-scope entities shall ensure that they are able to exit outsourcing arrangements without undue disruption to their business activities, without limiting their compliance with regulatory requirements, and without any detriment to the continuity and quality of its provision of services to clients. To achieve this, they shall a. Develop and implement exit plans that are comprehensive, documented, and, where appropriate, sufficiently tested, e.g. by carrying out an analysis of the potential costs, impacts, resources and timing implications of transferring an outsourced service to an alternative provider, and b. Identify alternative solutions and develop transition plans to enable in-scope entities to remove outsourced functions and data from the service provider and transfer them to alternative providers or back to the in-scope entity, or to take other measures that ensure the continuous provision of the critical or important function or business activity in a controlled and sufficiently tested manner, taking into account the challenges that may arise because of the location of data and taking the necessary measures to ensure business continuity during the transition phase. 113. When developing exit plans, in-scope entities shall a. Define the objectives of the exit plan, b. Perform a business impact analysis that is commensurate with the risk of the outsourced processes, services or activities, with the aim of identifying what human and financial resources would be required to implement the exit plan and how much time it would take. C. Assign roles, responsibilities and sufficient resources to manage exit plans and the transition of activities. D. Define success criteria for the transition of outsourced functions and data, and E. Define the indicators to be used for the monitoring of the outsourcing arrangement, as outlined under points 104 to 110, including indicators based on unacceptable service levels that shall trigger the exit.